from P to the circle. Tangent from P makes an angle 120 degrees. So half angle is a 60. Given C is a 4 comma 5. So distance between PC under root 4 plus 2 whole square plus 5 plus 3 whole square under root 36 plus 64 root 100 equal to 10. Next, this is the 90 degrees. So triangle PQC is a right angle triangle. Therefore, we know the PC value is 10. So we know the adjacent side and hypotenuse. So cos 60 degrees equal to adjacent side root S11 by hypotenuse 10. So root S11 equal to 10 into cos 60. 10 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So 5. So length of the tangent PQ equal to 5. Next, bit number 67. Number of the circles touching the three lines. There are three cases. Number one, three lines are non-concurrent lines. Second case, three are concurrent lines. Third one is suppose two are concurrent lines. Two are the parallel lines. In this case, we have four circles. Suppose the lines are concurrent, so number of circles equal to 0. Suppose two lines are parallel, number of circles equal to 2. So there is a 4 circles, there is no circle. So how to find if they are concurrent lines or non-concurrent lines? Calculate det equal to modulus of 1 minus 4 1 minus 1 2 x value 0 y value 1 constant minus 2. So 1 into 2 minus 2 0 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 0 minus 4 into 1. So that equal to 0 plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 not equal to 0. When that value not equal 0, the lines are concurrent lines. That means number of circles equal to 4. Next, suppose note. Suppose that value equal to 0, the lines like this, they are the concurrent lines, number of circles equal to 0. Next, bit number 70. See the three lines. These three lines. Clearly 1 and 3 are parallel lines. Why? A1 by A3 equal to B1 by B3. A1 by A3 value 1 by 4. B1 by B3 value minus 2 by minus side. This is also equal to 1 by 4. So 1 and 3 are parallel lines. So number of circles are 2. Number of circles 2. These two circles touches the three lines. 75. Given these two circles, length of the tangent from a point on the first circle to the second circle. So length of the tangent from a point on the first circle to the second circle. So in this diagram, PQ is the length of the tangent. Observe that equation number 1, equation number 2, x square, y square, 4x minus 6y. only constants are different. That means these two circles are concentric circles. When two circles are concentric, the length of the tangent is under root C2 minus C1, that equal under root C2 value 4 minus 12 root 16 equal to 4. Next, bit number 76. Given P point H comma K and given two circles are x square plus y square minus 16, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y equal 0. Given condition is length of the tangent from P to the first circle is twice the length of the tangent from P to the second circle. That means S dash S11 equal 2 into S dash 11. S11 means direct substitution. So squaring on both sides, S11 equal to 4 into S dash 11. S11 means H square plus K square minus 16 plus 4 into S dash 11 H square plus K square plus 2H plus 2K multiply with 4K square plus 4H square plus 4K square plus 8H plus 8K minus H square minus K square plus 16 equal to 0. 4H square minus H square 3H square. Similarly 3K square plus 8H plus 8K plus 16 equal to 0. Largest radius of the circle which touches the coordinate axis on the line 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal 0 in the first quadrant. So let R be the radius. Let R be the radius of the circle. Then center C equal to R comma R and radius R equal to R. Given line is 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Given this line is the tangent to the circle. So tangent condition is R equal to D. So R value is given small r. D is the perpendicular distance from center to the line. So modulus of 4r plus 3r minus 12 by under root 16 plus 9. We apply the formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. So by cross this value is 5. 16 plus 9 equal 25. Under root 25 equal 5. By cross multiplication 5r equal to modulus of 7r minus 12. When we remove the modulus symbol, we take a plus r minus in RHS. Plus r minus 5r. So 7r minus 12 equal to 5r. R 7r minus 12 equal to minus 5r. So 7r minus 5r equal to 12. 2r equal to 12. R value is 6. Next, 7r plus 5r equal to 12. 12r equal to 12. R value is 1. He asked a largest radius. So we get two answers, 6 and 1. So largest radius is 6. Next, bit number 131. The parametric equations x equal to y equal to given represents a circle, then radius of the circle. So given parametric equations. So eliminate t. Consider x square plus y square. X square value 4, a square, t square, 1 minus t square whole square by 1 plus t square whole square. Y square value 16, a square, t square by 1 plus t square whole square. Next, x square plus y square equal to 1 plus t square whole square LCM 4, a square t square 1 minus t square whole square equal 16, a square t square. Take common 4 a square, 4 a square t square. We get 1 minus t square whole square plus 4 given x value is 2a into 1 minus t square. So x square value 4a square. So 4a square. So take 4a square common, we get 1 minus t square whole square plus 4t square by 1 plus t square whole square, that equal to 4a square into 1 plus t square whole square by 1 plus t square whole square. In this step we apply the formula a minus b whole square plus 4ab equal to a plus b whole square. So this is a minus b whole square plus 4, a value 1, b value t square. So total is a plus b whole square. That is a value 1 plus b value t square. 1 plus t square whole square cancel. So x square plus y square equal to 4a square. That is nothing but 2a whole square. This is in the form of x square plus y square equal to r square. Therefore, radius r equal to 2a.